In this video, I'm going to show you how we can check the CPU information in Linux. So, in order to check CPU info, we can go to a directory name proc, and let me explain what is proc directory. So, proc is a virtual file system, and it doesn't take any space on your hard drive, and it contain all the information you need to get about your system, like CPU, memory, disk status, as I will show you here. So if you type here ls minus l, you can see various files. These files are only read only as it give you information about your system. So for uh, this practical, I am going to use this command cpu info. So you can use cat command. Cat command is used to display the content of the file, and you can write cpu info. So it will tell about my CPU. That is a vendor ID is Intel, and it is a 12th generation i5 12 1240p, and it has two CPU cores, and CPU megahertz is frequency is this, and the cache is 12 MB. Here are the flags. Here also we have a 2-second processor. So this gives you all the information about the CPU. Thanks for watching.